Hello everybody, do you have a green thumb and just hate doing all that watering? Well, this 3D printing time-lapse video may be for you. We'll see you in there. So today in this video, we're going to be 3D printing a water spike for an 8-ounce bottle. I use a 1-liter bottle in mine, but I have a garden outside. I love the garden in the summer, tomatoes, all those things, but I hate doing the dreaded watering. So today, we're going to 3D print water spikes that we can put on our water bottles, fill the water bottle, put it in there, and it'll water it for 3 or 4 days on its own. I don't have to water in the Missouri heat. Yes. So if you guys want to see that time lapse, here's the time lapse. Afterward, we'll follow up with the finished product. So if you guys like what you're seeing, please subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button. It really does help us out. Here's the time lapse. So it's a relatively easy print. I didn't have to make any modifications to it. Here's the water spike itself. You just add in a 2-liter, you can add up to a 2-liter bottle actually, is what I've done on some when I'm gonna be gone for a few days. Pop it in there, and it'll drip. And you can even blow into it and feel how little air is coming out. So a good 2-liter bottle will last almost a week on this thing, which is great. I've seen some people take and cut the top of the bottle off. That way they can just fill the spike with their hose, but you do get the evaporation. It doesn't last as long with it doing that. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And also, this model was by JonSorock out on Thingiverse. The link is down in the description if you want to go print some for yourself. I used inland PLA. This was done on an Ender 3. So if you guys liked it, please hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.